Instagram got a new update, so now you can go and pin comments under your posts. Let's go. So first of all, here's a tweet of the Instagram, how they roll out now the function that you can pin comments. If you don't have this function yet, just be patient. Update your phone, update Instagram. So let's go into Instagram and to a post of mine, and then you see the comments. What you just need to do is just hold down or swipe it to the left, and then you see the pin options on the top. So just click on there. Then this pops up. It's like you can pin up to 3 comments, 3 of your favorite comments. So if you have hundreds of comments, you can pin up 3 of the best. So also you can go and remove a pin. Just do the same technique like pin a comment. You can unpin a comment. I don't want to do this right now. Yeah, I hope this video helped. Check out my Instagram and also check out my YouTube. Just 0.2 people just subscribed watching my videos. That's terrible. So well, just go check out my videos, comment down below, like this video, comment and subscribe, and I hope I see you next time. Bye bye.